To file taxes with Webull, follow these steps. Receive your tax documents. Webull typically provides necessary tax documents like the 1099 form by mid-February. You'll be notified via email when they are available. Access them by logging into the Webull app or desktop platform, then navigating to the Account tab and selecting Tax Documents. Review the 1099 form. The 1099 form contains details on dividends, stock sales, interest income, and other taxable events from your Webull account. Ensure that all information is correct, including your gains, losses, and other transactions. Download your forms. You can download the forms directly from the Webull platform. This document is critical for reporting income or capital gains when filing taxes. Use tax software or an accountant. Import your 1099 form into tax software like TurboTax, H&R Block, or other platforms that support direct imports from Webull. You may also provide the form to a tax professional if you're using an accountant. Report gains and losses. Ensure that your capital gains and losses are reported correctly, and include any other taxable income. Submit your tax return. Once all information is entered, finalize and submit your return to the IRS or relevant tax authorities.